Welcome back to Overheat. Overview of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome and possible features. Platform and external design. Vehicle base. Toyota's well-proven light truck or van platform will probably serve as the foundation for them. Motorhome's construction. Aerodynamic design. To increase fuel efficiency and lessen wind noise. While traveling, the external shape will be created with aerodynamics in mind. Lighting, LED technology with it. Futuristic design and great functionality is probably going to be used for headlights and taillights. Storage and access. Easy access will be provided by a spacious main entrance with manual or electric stairs. Roof possibilities. A flat roof with built-in solar panels is one of the likely several roof possibilities. A cozy and useful interior. Flexible plan. To make the most of available space, the interior will be constructed with a modular and adaptable plan. High-quality materials. Using materials that are long-lasting, clean up easy, and have a luxurious feel will be a top priority. Sleeping area. A fixed double bed and a fold-out bed that can be turned into a seating area are two of the several sleeping alternatives available. A stove, gas or induction, a sink with hot and cold water, a medium or big refrigerator with freezer, a microwave, and storage space are all included in the fully furnished kitchen. Dining and sitting area. A cozy dining and lounging space will be provided by a table that can be folded out or moved. Smart storage cabinets, shelves, drawers, and other smart storage options will be incorporated throughout the interior. Efficiency and performance. Engine options. In accordance with the most recent pollution standards, Toyota is probably going to provide a selection of potent and efficient gasoline and diesel engines. Transmission. A responsive and seamless automatic transmission is probably the norm. However, some markets provide a manual option as well. Features for safety. Features like adaptive cruise control.